work. Okay. Hi. So we're team CWLS, and we're currently working on the Verizon challenge. And our application is called RoadGuard. So our solution, so to address the challenge of improving traffic safety for drivers and VRUs, we developed an application which essentially queries through the VSM data and analyzes current vehicles to determine if a vehicle is making any traffic violations, such as speeding. And if so, we will then send a message, an alert to all individuals within a radius of the speeding vehicle and alert them and warn them regarding the speeding vehicle. So the process flow of our application is fairly simple. So first of all, we're going to get the BMS data from Verizon or any other source. Once we get the data, we're going to use Bing's Maps API to query the speed limit for a given location, as well as we're going to convert the latitude and longitude to usable metrics and then calculate the actual speed of the vehicle. If the vehicle is going over the speed limit and if or other traffic violations have been broken through different validations, then we're going to send real-time alerts. Essentially, what happens is we're going to send the VSM data to Verizon, and Verizon will then take that and alert all individuals within that given radius. So this is another flowchart of exactly how our app works. Like we said, it scans the vehicles breaking the speed limit, it detects dangerous driving, sends the VSM data to Verizon. The messages will then reach the appropriate VRUs. This is a quick example of our VSM output. So as it starts, you can see the index is the current vehicle we're analyzing. Then if you can see here, we get the actual basic safety message. And this is the message that will get sent to Verizon in real time when a vehicle has been detected speeding. On to the next slide. The scalability of our solution. It can be upscaled in a few ways. First of all, our data set is limited to 1,000 vehicles in Florida. With access to more vehicle data and other VSM data from various states, we can expand the coverage of our app. If we had more resources, such as funds, we could also make our API calls more efficient and then reduce latency even more. Potential challenges. One is noisy VSM data. So if we get any faulty data or faulty API calls that could negatively impact the performance and accuracy, our program also requires a strong cellular coverage to effectively transmit the VSM data. So areas with less coverage may have less stable access to our app. Thank you for sponsoring HackOH.
It was good, okay.
We should